While Prime Minister designate keeps his date with history at Rashtrapati Bhavan at 7:15 p.m., theatrics drama on the sidelines. Why I say that, viewers, the latest coming in, if you know, in those who were invited to have a conversation at the Prime Minister's residence this afternoon, those who will be taking oath, one of the allies was missing, and that was the ally NCP Ajit Pawar faction. It seems there's a lot of internal bickering, and the latest, the Deputy CM of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has spoken after the NCP birth feud. He says cabinet birth for NCP later, not right now. What's playing internally is Sunil Tatkare versus Praful Patel over the birth. No NCP face in Modi 3.0 after internal party differences. What does it really mean for the NCP, which had a poor showing where the state of Maharashtra was concerned, managing to win just one Lok Sabha seat? Listen in to Devendra Fadnavis.
राज्यमंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार अशा प्रकारे ही जागा त्यांना देण्यात आली होती, परंतु त्यांचा आग्रह असा होता की आमच्याकडनं श्री प्रफुल्ल पटेल यांचं नाव फायनल आहे आणि ते आधी मंत्री राहिलेले आहेत, त्यामुळे त्यांना आम्हाला राज्यमंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार हे करता येणार नाही. मात्र आपल्याला देखील ही कल्पना आहे की जेव्हा अलायन्सचं युतीचं सरकार असतं त्यावेळी काही निकष तयार करावे लागतात, कारण अनेक पक्ष सोबत असतात, त्यामुळे एका पक्षाकरता तो निकष मोडता येत नाही. पण मला विश्वास आहे की भविष्यामध्ये जेव्हाही एक्सपान्शन होईल त्यावेळी निश्चितपणे त्यांचा विचार.
My colleague and our Mumbai bureau chief Sahil Joshi joins us for more. Sahil, what's really going on? Is it Tatkare versus Praful Patel, where the internal dynamics of the Ajit Pawar NCP faction are concerned? And if at all, that would mean zero births for the NCP Ajit Pawar faction, even though it's come up with only one Lok Sabha MP.
Well, more than it is Tatkare versus Praful Patel, it is more of ego battle between the Shiv Sena and the NCP, because the Shiv Sena, Shinde Shiv Sena, is getting a full cabinet berth in the first 3.0 cabinet expansion, whereas NCP, because they have won only one Lok Sabha seat, they have been asked to take oath on MOS portfolio, but it will be given as an independent charge. The BJP made it clear that they will not be able to accommodate more than MOS independent charge, because many of the parties who have got more number of seats have been inducted as one cabinet minister, including that of Chirag Paswan, who has got 5 seats. The NCP, the Shinde Shiv Sena has got 7 seats, and right now one cabinet minister is being inducted. So that will not be possible. So the NCP has, as per Devendra Fadnavis, has informed the BJP that it will not be proper on a part of the NCP also to step down one below by making Praful Patel MOS, who has been a cabinet minister before, and who has been part of the ministry in UPA 2 as well. UPA 1, he was a MOS independent charge. So that will not be proper. So better, later in the later stage, when Prime Minister Modi will go for a cabinet expansion, and if they can accommodate a cabinet berth for NCP, that would be better. So they are ready to wait, is what they are saying. What it looks like is that
yes,
the NCP is going to wait for the assembly elections. If their performance is better than that of Shinde, then obviously they will ask for the cabinet berth in Modi government. But looking at the scenario at this point of time, it's very clear that it's an ego tussle between the NCP Ajit Pawar versus Shinde Shiv Sena, because Pratap Rao Bhosle, who is being a minister now for the first time, will be inducted as a cabinet minister, whereas Praful Patel was told very clearly that either you accept the MOS independent charge, or right now, the BJP will not be able to give them the cabinet.
But Sahil, what's going on internally? Even though, with what you pointed out, that it's an ego tussle between the Shinde Sena and Ajit Pawar's NCP, what's happening inside where Tatkare versus Praful Patel battle is going on? So are there battles, but the larger war is an ego tussle?
Well, largely some of the party members did feel that if the MOS independent charge has been given, Sunil Tatkare can be accommodated, and that's why, because he has never been a minister in union cabinet. He has been a member of parliament since 2019, and he has got re-elected himself to the parliament. So why not Sunil Tatkare? But it looks like that Praful Patel prevailed because he's been the tele face of the NCP Ajit Pawar till now, and that's why they decided to stay back, because the BJP is not ready to accommodate more than MOA's independent charge. They were not ready to upbeat their offer to make them the cabinet minister. So from the Maharashtra's perspective, it would have been really one step down for NCP Ajit Pawar, who have got equal number of MLAs with him and are now part of the Mahayuti government. Shinde is also have got 40 MLAs. He has also got around 40 MLAs. The Shinde has got support of 10 independent MLAs as well. But because the performance of NCP was not up to the mark, the way Shinde managed to win 7 seats, Ajit Pawar could not, and that's the reason why, if the portfolio is, the cabinet position has been taken away from the NCP, which is not going down well with the NCP as a party as a whole, because they think that as symbolically they will be looked upon as somebody junior partner in Maharashtra. So better if there is a cabinet berth, they will wait for the cabinet, but rather than being part of the Modi 3.0 as a MOS.
But Sahil, one quick question before we let you go. While on a national scale, we are looking at the dust maybe finally settling now, far from it, but settling. In Maharashtra, the dust is only being kicked up. It begins from now. You have a BMC election, you have a state election, word coming in that MLAs from the Shinde camp now back in touch with Uddhav Thackeray, and similarly where the Ajit faction is concerned, back in touch with the Sharad Pawar faction.
Well, now this churn will begin. I don't think that MLAs will immediately turn over to the other camps, but they will look at their own constituency profiles at this point of time. The leads which the Mahayuti or the Mahavikas Aghadi have got during Lok Sabha elections, that will also be considered. The local situations will be considered, and of course there will be a incoming towards the Mahavikas Aghadi in coming days, especially before the assembly elections are announced, or maybe even after the assembly elections are announced, the way it had happened during the Lok Sabha elections. So the ground situations will rapidly keep changing, and this churning will go on for next couple of months. And that's how, because right now the power shift has gone towards the Mahavikas Aghadi, because the victory they have received. They are almost leading in almost 150 assembly segments, and so looking at that, there will be some changes towards Mahavikas Aghadi from Maharashtra.
All right, some changes where the Mahavikas Aghadi is concerned, the internal party dynamics from the macro to the micro picture, where a state election is up on the anvil by end of year. Thank you, Sahil, for joining us.